Hello, soil lovers and future farming experts. Welcome back to Soil Books, your one-stop destination for everything related to soil farming and sustainability. Today, we're diving into a game-changing technique that can boost your crop yield, improve soil health, and make farming easier: mulching. Did you know that mulching can increase crop yield by up to 25% while reducing water loss and preventing weeds? Sounds amazing, right? So, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll learn step-by-step how to mulch effectively for the best results in your garden or farm. Before we start, let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever tried mulching before? If yes, what type of mulch did you use? And if not, what's stopping you? Drop your answers in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. First, let's answer the big question. What is mulching and why should you care? Imagine tucking your crops into a warm, protective blanket. That's essentially what mulching does for your soil. It's like creating a microclimate that your plants will absolutely love. We're talking about adding a layer of material on top of your soil. And no, we're not talking about just any material. Think of mulching as recreating what nature does best. In a forest, you see fallen leaves, wood chips, and other organic matter naturally covering the ground. This layer helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature, all the things your plants need to thrive. Whether you are growing vegetables, fruits, flowers, or even just nurturing your lawn, mulching can make a world of difference. Not all mulch is created equal. There are two main types: organic mulch and inorganic mulch. Organic mulch includes materials like wood chips, straw, compost, and shredded leaves. These materials decompose over time, adding valuable nutrients to your soil. Then we have inorganic mulches, such as gravel, pebbles, and landscape fabric. These options don't decompose, making them a good choice for areas where you want a more permanent mulch layer, like pathways or around trees. So how do you choose the right mulch? Consider your plants, your budget, and the overall look you want to achieve. Experiment and see what works best for you. Before applying mulch, you need to prepare your soil properly to get the best results. Follow these easy steps. First, clear the area of any existing weeds or debris. Next, loosen the top few inches of soil with a garden fork or cultivator. This improves drainage and allows roots to penetrate easily. Now here's a crucial step. Amend your soil with compost or well-rotted manure. This adds essential nutrients and improves soil structure. Finally, water the area thoroughly. Remember, preparation is key to successful mulching. Now, let's talk about how to apply mulch correctly for maximum benefits. The key here is to find the sweet spot. Not too thin, not too thick. Aim for a layer that's about 2 to 4 inches deep. When applying mulch around plants, keep it a few inches away from the stems. Spread the mulch evenly across the area, ensuring consistent coverage. Once you've applied the mulch, give it a gentle pat down. And there you have it. Your garden is now beautifully mulched and ready to thrive. Mulching isn't a one-time job. You need to maintain it for long-term benefits. Over time, organic mulch will decompose, so you'll need to replenish it periodically. This ensures that your soil continues to receive those valuable nutrients. Every now and then, check for any signs of pests or diseases. Regularly inspect the mulch layer and remove any debris or weeds that may have sprouted. As you gain experience with mulching, you'll discover what works best for your specific climate and soil type. Embrace the learning process and enjoy the journey of nurturing your garden with this simple yet powerful technique. And that's it, your complete step-by-step guide to effective mulching. Let's recap. Understand why mulching is important. Choose the right type of mulch for your needs. Prepare the soil properly before mulching. Apply mulch correctly to maximize benefits. Maintain it regularly for long-term success. Until next time, keep growing, keep learning, and remember, healthy soil equals healthy life. See you soon.